good with these points that we discussed in previous class. Create your own free trial account. These all the points we completed so far, right?
Okay.
Today we are going to talk about how to configure, how to enroll. Let's start with Windows devices. We are going to talk about the way, we are going to talk about the prerequisites to enroll our Windows-based machine to the Intune portal. This is our responsibility. This is first practical we are going to perform. Any question about the topics that we completed? Topics in the sense like about the prerequisites to enroll any kind of devices. Are we good with that?
Sir,
सॉरी सर थोड़ा लेट ज्वाइन किया है मैंने लेकिन अभी स्टार्ट हुआ राइट रिसेंटली
Just started. We are trying to understand about the topics that we completed in previous class. पिछली क्लास में हमने क्या डिस्कस किया उसी पे हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे थे अभी.
Okay.
Do you have any question about the last point, last topic that we discussed?
good from my side.
Cool. So let's try to understand. This is our Microsoft Intune portal, right? This is Microsoft Intune portal. And we establish on-premises machines. Number of machines that we establish on on-premises, maybe your laptop. Still, we are talking about the Windows only, right? Maybe your desktop. And our responsibility to enroll Windows 10 or maybe Windows 11 based devices to the Intune portal. This is demo PC and the another computer name is test PC. And we are going to enroll these devices to Microsoft Intune portal. This is our responsibility. Our responsibility to enroll these machines to Intune portal. All okay?
Yes, sir.
So you should know about the prerequisite. What are the basic things required that we need to keep in our mind before enrolling our machines from on-premises to cloud? Over a portal, create user. This is very first step that you need to follow. Create user. And number second, assign license. You guys are okay with the license? How we can buy the new license? Assign license. Number third, that's it. Yeah, these two steps required for cloud.
No, don't say
And
that.
using on premises, right? Using on premises. Your PC must be connected with minimum 25 to 30 Mbps of internet speed. All done. Log in using local admin. You must need to log in your client PC with the help of local administrator account. And number third,
RAM.
no. Hardware is not mandatory. Like you can proceed with 4 GB RAM, 8 GB RAM. It's up to you. And the last step is basically related to the method to enroll. Because we are able to enroll we can enroll our device with the help of multiple method. So in previous class, we successfully set up one dedicated machine, I think, using Vmware workstation. Remember? So let me take the RDP of my virtual machine because I'm going to show you the practical. This is the Windows 10. This was the Windows machine that we enrolled. Is it? And we decided to enroll this computer to Intune portal. Host name. Your computer name is Intune PC, correct? And we are going to bring this machine to the Intune portal. This is our responsibility. I'm going back to the Intune portal. Office.com. This is Microsoft 365 Admin Center that we are going to use only for the user creation. And same account, root account, I'm going to use for the Azure, sorry, Microsoft Intune portal. Which license you assign to your users? So now we already created multiple users. Azure is available. Tata is also Tony and Telnet. Multiple users are available. All the users are contained the license of Microsoft 365 E5. Many other features that involve in E5 licenses. What types of tasks we can manage with the help of E5?
Intune Plan 2 and Azure AD Plan 2 also available in Microsoft 365 E5.
No need to like manage any kind of, no need to purchase a separate license to enroll the devices.
For E5 not required, sir,
Correct.
because it's part of Intune license too.
This is a complete package.
Yes, sir.
No need to purchase separate license. If you're using
No,
business
sir.
basic or
Basic
E5,
we need.
yeah,
Basic we need add-on.
great. So can we use our Intune talent user to enroll our Windows 10 machine that we just created, that we just turn on?
Yes.
Oh no, sir. We need to sign in or we need to use company portal for enroll
Correct, correct.
for
We have a
single
multiple.
device.
Great. We have a multiple method. So I'm going to show you the all the method. Um,
Sir, E5 take care of mailing services as well, right?
Definitely, this is complete package. E5 is a complete package license. This is our on-premises machine, Windows 10 computer, and host name of this machine is Intune PC, right? Going back to the Intune portal, and over our Intune portal, we are not able to see any devices in Windows folder. We are not able to find any devices related to Windows. See, zero. No. I'm going to guide you about the way. I'm going to guide you and guide you the steps how we can enroll these devices. Windows-based devices. Start with Windows, then Android, then Mac, then Linux separately. To enroll any devices, what you need to do, we have a multiple method, right? Enrollment of Windows devices. You can go with MDM discovery URL. Second, You can go with company portal. Yes. And the third one, you can proceed with which option? Bulk enrollment, guys. Bulk
Autopilot.
enrollment. So I'm going to show you the steps using
So what is
MDM discovery
MDM
URL,
stands for?
mobile device management.
Okay.
Second, using company portal. And third, will perform the task of bulk enrollment. Every Intune portal contain two different services. One is MDM and another is MAM. MDM is a mobile device management and MAM is mobile application management. So let me enroll and then guide you about the gap between both the services. We are going to enroll our device with the help of which method? MDM discovery URL. Back to the portal. Users, we already decided. Telnet will be the user that we are going to use for the enrollment purpose. So open Intune. Back to the on-premises machine. This is local computer. Right click on your start menu. Go to the settings. Select accounts. Access work or school. And this is the panel. My machine is not connected. The virtual machine is not connected with any existing portal, which is not a part of any cloud platform, right? Like 365, like Intune. So you can find one option, enroll only in device management. Enroll only in device management. Is that okay?
Yes.
Click here and it will give you the page where we need to provide which user, guys.
Telnet.
Why we are going to assign Telnet?
It's having E5.
Because we assign the license
Micros.
of E5 and Intune services. That's why we decided for this. Clear?
Yes.
Next, it will ask you password. And one more option, MDM discovery URL, mobile device management discovery URL. The MDM discovery URL method is applicable for only and only Windows based machine, not for Linux, not for Mac, not for Android. Fine. So this method is applicable for only and only which one?
Windows.
Windows based devices.
Device.
Is that clear?
Yes.
How we can find this MDM discovery URL? Because without discovery URL, we cannot enroll the machines. Né? So please open your Intune portal like this and go to the devices. Select Windows, go to the enrollment, and it will provide you option automatic enrollment. All good. We'll get the option of automatic enrollment. When we click on automatic enrollment, it will give you the details of our MDM discovery URL. Are you able to see? This is MDM discovery URL. Done?
So sir, this is the standard, not for the particular user, right? ये
No,
आपने
this is the standard applicable for all the machines. All the Windows machines, sorry. All the Windows machine, because this is applicable for Windows machine only, not for the Linux and the Mac.
And sir, what is the exact purpose of this?
Both are the same
Like-
product. Both are the same product. On by the
Okay.
same on by the Microsoft. And this MDM discovery URL is applicable for Windows only, not for another operating system, because the operating system of Windows managed by the Microsoft And the Intune is also taken care by the Microsoft. Copy this URL back to the virtual machine. I don't think I'm able to copy and paste directly. So let me copy and paste on my base machine first. Notepad. Oh, now I'm not able to copy and paste. So do one thing. Let me open my Intune portal on the same machine. Intune.microsoft.com. Guys, just allow me 1 minute. Let me set the network on ncpu.cpl. I don't want to connect with Wi-Fi. I'm going to connect with the help of wired network.
Sir, why can you just explain that why it is not connected to the Wi-Fi, or are you using the LAN cable? That's why you're using this wired.
In my desktop, I'm using LAN cable. In my laptop,
Okay.
using Wi-Fi connection.
Okay.
I need to troubleshoot by using my base machine because I will lost the RDP. Yep. So I'm executing two commands. One is ipconfig/release and another is ipconfig/renew. You guys are aware about the release and renew?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Let me check. I need to troubleshoot using my Wi-Fi connection because the cable is disconnected. Give me 1 minute. Fine. So what I did, I set up a private IP address manually for permanent because DSCP is changing my IP address again and again. So that's why I fixed the IP address for my base machine is 150. Fine. And it is for permanent. So what we need to do, open run. Let me paste the IP address. Paste the
सर
URL.
एक
हाँ जी please.
सर एक क्वेश्चन ये है कि जो आपने जो रिमोट डेस्कटॉप प्रोटोकॉल का जो मतलब समझाया ना सेशन, ये थोड़ा सा आप रिव्यू करा सकते हैं, क्योंकि इसमें थोड़ा सा अवेयर नहीं हूँ मैं।
चल, no problem. Let me give you the exact the task that I performed. ठीक है. Actually, I'm using two machines. ठीक है. I'm using two different computers.
सर व्हाट वाज द रीजन कि वो उसमें कैसे रिजॉल्व हुआ इशू? एक्चुअली माय नेटवर्क वाज गॉन।
Actually, my IP address was conflicting with another virtual machine. तो
ओके।
कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होने की वजह से मैं एक्सेस नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ.
सो नाउ
And
व्हाट
I'm
इज द
this,
रेजोल्यूशन?
sir, will this
sorry.
allow administrator to C drive? Will this allow as well
Yep.
on a C drive
Yeah, I can access
with
because I
with
logged
a
in.
dollar sign? I think that'll be much easy. Just to copy a file there.
Oh, okay. I can do that. I'm going to share
Yeah.
the space, share the folder, and will like paste the URL. Yes, I can
Yeah,
follow
I think that would be
definitely.
easy. Yeah.
This is the another method that I need to use instead of login on the same machine. Okay, so let me tell you about my setup. This is my laptop, okay, which is based on Mac. And the another machine that I established, this is my desktop. Fine, with Windows 11. With I think good configuration, 32 GB RAM, 4i5 and 512 GB SSD. All okay.
यस।
यस।
And the IP address of my Mac machine maybe 192.168.1.2. This is my Mac machine. And what I did, I configured manual IP address 192.168.1.50. Fine. Two separate machine, दो अलग computer हमारे पास है, ठीक है? And both are connected with the same Wi-Fi. So this is with good configuration. So that's why I established a VMware workstation on this machine. VMware workstation can help us to establish number of virtual machines as per the configuration that you are currently using. The hardware will decide how many virtual machines you are able to create. Okay. And in the virtual machine, in this base machine, I established one VM, Windows 10. For now, VM Windows 10. All good. Oh, sorry. VM Windows 10. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to enroll this machine to the Intune portal. So I'm not able to access both machine at the same time. So that's why I'm using RDP, Remote Desktop Protocol. Oh look, okay. Sorry, किसका question था? I'm unable to recall.
मेरा क्वेश्चन था।
Now clear, Muzammil?
यस।
Sir, before remote desktop, is he going to retire on 27th of May, sir? Is that correct? RDP?
They are going to update.
Okay, they're going to
Definitely
update.
it will remove, but कुछ ना कुछ नया लाने वाले हैं ये.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So let me check. I'm going to use the method like the एक folder बना के share कर लेते हैं. That I did all earlier. So I'm going to. I have already shared my D drive. I think I shared my backup वाला folder share कर रखा है मैंने. Sorry, download वाला. So in this folder, I'm going to create one text file. MDM. यहाँ पे पेस्ट कर देंगे. Going back to the base machine means Mac operating system. Copy the URL from Intune portal. I'm just going to copy it. Copy. Click on go to. Connect to the server, and your server name is server IP address is 150. I need to provide the Windows username and password.
Sir, in a real-time environment में, so we have to perform the same task only like this.
100% same. 100% same.
Okay.
Actually, currently we are using virtual machine for the enrollment that you can understand.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, this method is only for work group systems or domain systems as well, sir?
No, only for work group. Yes. Only for work group. Because if your machine is domain, then we need to use another method, or you need to like as remove your machine from domain to work group, and then you can do that.
Okay, sir.
What's the domain then? What method we have to use?
Then intra join come into the picture.
Intra join. Okay.
Okay, I just shaped it in the same location. I'm going back to the Windows. Let me check. See, we are able to get the Windows MDM discovery URL. Copy it. And paste on this particular page. Any question about the point that we discussed?
Good from my side, sir. We will practice, then we will get more clarity then.
Exactly.
Sir,
Intune में जितना practice आप perform करोगे उतना ज़्यादा confidence आपका बढ़ेगा.
सर ये अगर हमारे पास मल्टीपल मशीन होंगे So will it not easy to make a batch file and then run it there? Is that
No,
in? Okay.
no. We already started. We talked about BYOD for
Mhm.
BBIP users. So one by one,
Okay.
you need to do that. If you have
Okay.
a multiple user, multiple
Mhm.
machines, please go
Mhm.
with the bulk user enrollment.
Okay.
You're not going to enroll like 100 machines by using same method again and again, which is
Mhm.
very difficult, right?
Yeah.
Next, mandatory to provide password. Endpoint. Okay. Your virtual machine must be connected with internet. Unfortunately, no internet access on your machine. Make sure. Let me put our virtual machine in bridge connection. Replicate it. Please configure manual IP address because see, we are not able to access internet. Let me check 100 IP address if this IP address will work and we'll get the access of. Yes, it's working. Can we proceed for next? So internet is mandatory. 25 to 30 Mbps must be applicable for your machine.
सर इसमें आपने मैनुअली आईपी एड्रेस सेट करा है, राइट?
Exactly, because my DSCP is not able to assign the IP address. That's why
Okay.
we set up it manually. Provide the password for your telnet user. Done. We successfully enrolled our machine to the Intune portal by using which method?
MDM.
MDM.
MDM discovery.
MDM discovery work. The enrollment completed with the help of telnet user, and you know that the telnet user is contained which license?
E5.
E5
E5.
license.
If we have another license, you are not able to enroll it. You will get an error. You
If
must
we
need to
have
fulfill the
E3,
requirement. Yeah, not possible.
So E5 business premium, right?
Only E5 and Business Premium can help you to enroll your device with the help of Intune portal over Intune portal. Or you can buy the separate dedicated license. Maybe
पैकेज जो
Intune Plan 1, maybe
एड ऑन
Intune
पैकेज.
Suite. Yep. Can we go back to the Intune portal? This is the Intune portal. And let me check all devices. Still not updated. It required 5 minutes. It will take up to 5 minutes.
And sir, what is the that common issues facing during the enrollment? जो बहुत common होते हैं.
This is the most common issues you will face if you are going to enroll your device. You successfully enrolled. For let's take an example. You successfully enrolled, right? And due to some problem, you need to format your computer. अपने मशीन को फॉर्मेट कर दिया एनरोलमेंट के बाद, ठीक है? 1-2 साल तक चलाने के बाद मशीन की फॉर्मेट की रिक्वायरमेंट पड़ गई. You formatted your machine and now you are trying to enroll it again. This is the most common problem. Whenever you try to enroll, it will show you this machine is already enrolled. This is most common issue in case of Intune enrollment. So in this situation, what you need to do, you need to remove your device from everywhere. Change the computer name, change the username, lots of things that we need to follow. Change the registry setting, then you will get the access of new device.
Okay, so it will be a big task.
Yes, you need to follow multiple steps to resolve it.
So username means how we can change the username, like the
No, no,
computer
no.
name we can.
Sorry, host name, not username, host name.
Yes,
Or
right.
you can delete the same host name from portal.
Hmm. So we have to enroll with new host name.
Exactly, yes.
And in the real-time environment, mostly it is enrollment through Windows only, majority.
No, can you please repeat again?
I'm asking that in real-time environment, so the
Hmm.
majority of the enrollments of Intune devices
Windows.
is through
Windows.
Windows only.
Every organization going to use the Windows devices for their client. I think, is that correct? Most of the organizations need to establish their devices based on Windows.
Like sir, we are using the company email ID and the Teams in mobile through
Mhm.
Intune's portal, that work profile.
Correct,
So that is the same thing.
exactly.
So through Intune, we are able to access the Outlook and the Teams.
Correct. Okay, can we proceed for the next? Let me refresh the page first because we need to see the device. We want to reflect the device over a portal. No, wait.
Is there any way to manually sync the device, or we need to wait for
No,
some
no, no.
time?
We need to wait, but we have a manual option. You just need to click on this page, go to the info and sync it.
So ideally, how much time it will take that the standard ETA?
Using MDM discovery URL between 5 to 15.
Okay. If it is closed 15 minutes, then there might be some issue.
Yeah, you have to check it.
So sir, how we can troubleshoot it? This means just for knowledge that कि
Yeah,
हम कैसे इसको troubleshoot.
over Intune portal, we have an option related to the troubleshooting
Okay.
that will give you the logs. What exactly happened with the backend, right? And according to that, you can follow the steps to resolve the problem.
And sir, one more thing in the logs part. So how many days logs are there? So is there
90
any
days.
that
Next 90 days.
like
You
okay.
can save it for permanent, but by default, Microsoft will provide you access of 90 days.
So for save, but that save was a save thing that we need to buy the drive, the storage.
Correct. Still, we are waiting for the device, right? One device is available, right? Based on Windows, correct?
Yes.
But not fully. Now it's reflected. The device name is Intune. Enrolled by which user? Telnet. This is the last time at the moment that you enroll your device. Clear?
Sir, but here it's showing ownership is personal. But in organizations, they provided the laptops or desktops. That time it should showing company owner laptop or like corporate. Is that possible, sir?
The entire VVIP user, the machines that basically use the laptop that basically used by using by the CEO, CTO, the machines are not connected with the domain.
Okay, sir.
Only
But
the
what?
employees may only the employees machines will connect with the domain controller. So if you connect your machine to the domain and then enroll, then in this situation you will get the access not as a personal, it will show you the like the company enrolled.
Like corporate.
Corporate, yes. Any question, guys, about the concept, the steps that we used?
Sir, one thing that here it is showing compliance. So it is showing that it is compliant. So what can be the scenario if it is non-compliant?
You need to set up the compliance policy. You need to establish the compliance policy. And according to the policy, if your device is not able to fulfill the requirement, if your device is not able to fulfill the requirement, then your device will show you non-compliant.
Okay. And sir, compliance policy will be applicable through Intune portal only.
Intune
There
directly
is option.
associated with the security Intune portal.
Okay. Got it.
Mhm. Any doubt, any question about the points, the steps that we use?
No, sir. All good.
Great. Multiple things that you need to keep in your mind to enroll and manage your devices with the help of Microsoft Intune. We just started our journey with Microsoft Intune, and now I'm going to tell you about the component of Microsoft Admin Center, Microsoft Intune portal. Components in the sense, so whenever we establish our infrastructure, whenever we decided to control and manage our devices with the help of Intune portal. So what are the things required? You always proceed, right? You always understand the gap between MDM and MAM. MDM, what is MDM? Mobile device management. And what about MAM? Mobile application management, mobile device management, and mobile applications management. These two different points come into the picture. Let's talk more about it. But before that, are we good with the point, the steps that we use to enroll?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Next, very important topic that you need to know. License management for device enrollment. So what we did initially, we created one user, I think, with name of telnet at tmc.blog. Fine. This is our user. And what we did, which license we assigned? MS
E5.
365 E5. Fine. This license we assigned to our user. Next, and using this particular license, we can enroll the devices. Single Intune license allow to enroll maximum 15 devices. Maximum 15 devices. And second,
So it means one user maximum he can enroll 15, right?
correct. Default devices 5. All good. The default device is 5. And maximum how much?
15.
15. Why it is important? Because maybe interviewer will ask you question. Will ask question related to the capacity of single device, single license. And in this is also applicable for the examination, the global certification that you decided. Mhm. So you should clear about. But question, in which situation we are going to enroll multiple devices by using single user account?
If user is having Mac, Linux,
Yep,
Android, iOS,
yep, right,
maybe that time.
exactly. Do not use same user or same license to enroll devices for different employees. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Because what happen if you are going to enroll multiple employees devices with the help of same user, then you are not able to segregate the policies, because the policy will be applicable for user and it will impact the same policy to all the connected devices, all the enrolled devices. All okay?
Sir, I have one confusion here that how we can enroll the devices for the same means using the same employee name. Like
Sorry, can you please repeat again?
I'm asking that how it is possible that we can enroll the different devices under one employee name. Is it feasible?
100%, because like at office I'm using the desktop that provided by organization. At home I'm going to use my mobile phone to get the access of Office 365 services, Outlook and all. I'm using tablet, I'm using Mac machine, correct? So in this situation, if the single employee is going to use multiple resources, multiple hardware devices uh, to access the Office 365 services, so you always use your user and license to enroll multiple devices. Fine.
Hmm, got it.
Lots of settings are available in the properties of our user account. Multiple settings we are able to find in the user's properties that we are going to talk. Any questions so far? I'm going to show you how it's like how we can change the capacity, because the default capacity is 5 users, but you can change more than 5 devices.
Friends, we can restrict it to like 2 devices or 3 devices, sir.
Yep, you can make it for 1, you can make it for 2, 5, 10, 8, less than 15.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
It's totally depend upon you how you are going to manage or optimize your the license or user.
Sir, I have one question.
Yeah.
If let's say like this license which we assign to these users, these gets renewed every month for all the users, or is it like the E5 license?
Uh, Sorry, can you please repeat again?
The E5 license which we assign to the users, these gets renewed every month, like for the billing thing, for the
Yep,
like
yep,
organization part.
yep. We have a two different way to buy our license: monthly payment, yearly payment.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, which is more economical? I think yearly.
No, it's depend upon the usage.
Okay.
It's based on uses, right? And also budget. Not only the usage, also budget.
And so one more thing that you have mentioned, that default devices will be 5. So what is meant by this default devices?
Okay. By default, the settings of every licenses. By default, the settings for every licenses can allow us to enroll up to how much? 5 devices. But you decided I want to enroll more than 5 devices, then you have to change the setting. Make it
Okay.
5 to 15,
15.
10 or more than 5.
So this we can change it in the Intune portal only.
Correct. Uh, Fine. So we are going to talk about the procedure, how we can make changes with the settings, right? Setting of our portal, setting with our licenses. All done.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So can we take a small break, just 10-minute break and connect again? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So let's take a 10-minute breather and connect. Resume again. Hey everyone, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we are.
Cool. So after the enrollment, what are the points that we need to keep in our mind? And let's try to understand the benefits to enroll our device over a Microsoft Intune portal. We enrolled our Windows-based machine with the help of MDM discovery URL. This is the name of our computer, Intune PC, and the username, date, time, status of our device, which is compliant or non-compliant, and the ownership, personal. Because we are using which one? BYOD, bring your own device. And this feature is basically applicable for the BBIP users. You are going to enroll this device with the help of for the BBIP users. Then now, what are the options are available in the properties? Let's talk about the options which are available in the properties of our device that we enrolled. So open Intune PC and it will give us a multiple information. Start with the very basic: retire, wipe, delete, sync, restart, fresh start, quick scan, and full scan. So remember, guys, we talked about one kind of troubleshooting point. So like I think Muzammil, you asked the question, or Babar, you asked question like what are the most common issues we need to face? The Intune engineer need to Intune engineers are facing on daily basis. So हमने आपको बताया था कि अगर आप डिवाइस को दोबारा रिन्यू री इनरोल कर रहे हो ना, that time it will create a problem. It will give you more kind of lots of issues. So the best way to re-enroll your device from portal, you need to retire it. Okay. First of all, you need to retire your device and then re-enroll it again. In this situation, anyone can smoothly re-enroll the existing devices after the format. If you anyone format, if any problem occurred with our operating system and we need to format it, so in this situation, you need to retire it. And after the retirement of your device, you can enroll and it will not give you any kind of issues. It will not provide any kind of problem while enrolling your device with the portal over Intune portal.
सर जैसे कि हमने अपने प्रैक्टिकल करके बताया था कि जब हम एनरोल करेंगे तो एडमिन ही मतलब जो ग्लोबल एडमिन होगा वही उसको मतलब ये सारी चीज़ें कर सकेगा ना मतलब
No, 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 no. Any user that contain the license of Intune.
ओके अच्छा यानी डेलीगेट करने की तरह
डेलीगेशन की जरूरत ही नहीं है. No
नहीं नहीं
need of delegation.
मैं
Think about
बैकएंड
it.
के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बात कर रहा हूँ बैकएंड के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बात कर रहा हूँ अभी ये जो हम लोग की स्क्रीन है ये बैकएंड लेवल में है तो वहां से हम लोग जो भी टास्क परफॉर्म करें वो बैकएंड में ही काउंट किया जाएगा ना
Exactly. Yep.
तो मैं वही पूछ रहा था कि मतलब जो ग्लोबल एडमिन है यानी जो रूट अकाउंट है बाय डिफॉल्ट ग्लोबल एडमिन होता है ना
हम्म.
तो वो सारे जो टास्क जो परफॉर्म होंगे इससे रिलेटेड जो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है ट्रबल
हाँ.
शूटिंग है या जो भी सारी चीज़ें एनरोल करनी है इससे रिलेटेड जो भी है वर्क टास्क वो ग्लोबल एडमिन बाय डिफॉल्ट ही करेगा ना यानी रूट अकाउंट
Correct. 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 जो टास्क है वो ग्लोबल एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर परफॉर्म करेगा एंड जो लाइक एज अ इनरोलमेंट प्रोसेस है ना, वो कोई भी यूजर कर सकता है. द पोर्टल इज एक्सेसिबल फॉर एवरीवन. द पोर्टल इज एक्सेसिबल फॉर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर, ग्लोबल एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर. लेकिन जो हमने कौन सा यूजर यूज किया है, सी आई एम यूजिंग माई रूट अकाउंट. दिस इज माई रूट अकाउंट. You are able to see Manjeet Rawat at tmc dot on microsoft.com. This is my root account. बट मैंने इसका इस्तेमाल करके इंट्यून नहीं इनरोल डिवाइस इनरोल नहीं किया. We are using our device, we are enrolling our device with which user? Talent user के थ्रू हमने इसको इनरोल किया.
टैलेंट
To access the portal, always global administrator. To enroll the device, always normal user that contain the license of Intune, that contain the license of E5 business premium. We are able to do that. We can enroll it as easily. Fine. Okay, so let's talk more about the options which are available in the device properties. So we can see in the properties of our device, retire, wipe in the sense, whatever application that you are going to install with the help of, not for your personal data, not for your personal applications. The applications that you are going to install with the help of Intune, you can wipe out. You can delete the all data. Company to employee decided I don't want to continue with the organization. I want to switch my job with another company. So in this situation, you always proceed with the wipe out. So once you wipe the device, your device will erase, Intune will erase all the data from your device. It will erase all the data from your device, from your machine.
Sir, means format the entire laptop.
No, no, no. Only the application that you install with the help of Intune.
Okay.
Only the application,
Okay, sir.
not other.
सर एप्लीकेशन कहाँ पे इंस्टॉल होती है फिर वो
Sorry.
वो एप्लीकेशन कहाँ पे इंस्टॉल होती हैं वो एप्स में दिखाई देती हैं
हाँ, आपके बेस मशीन के एप्लीकेशन में दिखाई पड़ेंगी.
ओके ओके तो वाइप आउट करने से वो एप्लीकेशन डिलीट हो जाएगी
वाइप आउट करने पर the application that you install will automatically delete. Can we go with the next?
यस सर
Okay, sir.
Next, delete. You don't want to continue with the same device, please delete it. You need to delete. Your device will disappear from the portal. Synchronize, right? Synchronize can work just like as a, you can consider it as a GP update. Remember GP update, the practical of GP update.
Yes.
GP update can help us to apply your policy, right? As it is, if any policy that you are going to implement, any policy that you are going to configure with Microsoft Intune portal for your enrolled device, and your policy is taking time to get applied. So in this situation, please open the panel and click sync. It will help us to immediately apply your policy to the portal, to the on-premises machine. Is everything was okay?
सर व्हाट इज द एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंस बिटवीन द रिटायर एंड डिलीट
Delete in the sense you are going to remove your device for permanent. Retire means you are going to remove the device for temporary basis.
Reconfigure again.
Pre-configured. Retire it for temporary basis, not for permanent. अगर आपको permanent हटाना है तो आप delete का use करो. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि formatting के बाद मुझे फिर से enroll करना है, please proceed with retire option.
सर वाइप आउट कब जब एम्प्लॉय छोड़कर चला जाए
No, yes, आप उस बंदे का डेटा उस बंदे का लैपटॉप जो पुराना एम्प्लॉय है उसका लैपटॉप किसी और को, किसी नए एम्प्लॉय को देना है. So you have to delete or wipe out the all previous applications.
सर लेकिन कंपनीज में जब ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जब हम वर्क कर रहे होते हैं तो ये जो सारे जो सिनेरियोज होते हैं क्योंकि हम लोग यहाँ पे जो लर्न कर रहे हो प्रैक्टिकल प्लस थ्योरी कर रहे हैं लेकिन जो रियल वर्ल्ड सिनेरियोज होते हैं वो उस वक्त हमें मतलब आइडिया लगनी चाहिए ना कि आप कौन से स्टेप्स फॉलो करने हैं
The steps that we are using, all steps are equal in case of real environment. जब हम real environment में use करेंगे same ही steps use करेंगे. But the point that we are discussing now, we are going to implement step by step. हम ऐसी सिचुएशन तैयार करेंगे to format and all, and then we'll talk about कि let me click on retire, let me click on delete, let me click on wipe out. Then we are able to
लेकिन
understand.
सर एज आईटी इंडस्ट्री ये सारे रूल्स रेगुलेशन होते ही हैं, जैसे कि एसओपीज वगैरह जो होते हैं, तो उससे भी हम काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें खुद को मतलब वहाँ से ट्रैक में ला सकते हैं ना एसओपीज के जरिए भी।
Exactly, yes. कंपनी की जो पॉलिसी है उसके अकॉर्डिंग भी बहुत सारी हेल्प मिल जाती है, बट एटलीस्ट यू शुड क्लियर अबाउट द वर्क, यू शुड अवेयर अबाउट द पोर्टल, यू
हाँ
शुड अवेयर
मतलब
अबाउट द प्रोसीजर, थोड़ा
बेसिक
बहुत आना
बेसिक आइडिया
होना
तो
चाहिए।
होना चाहिए कि इंट्यून क्या होता है, कौन से ऑप्शंस होते हैं, और
एग्जैक्टली यस। Let's talk about another option, restart. This is our virtual machine, okay, which is running properly, right? If you want to restart, please click on this page. It will take 1 or 2 minutes, yes, and after that your virtual machine automatically will restart. So no need to discuss with your on premises. Your machine, you can restart, or you can click on the restart from portal, and your machine will be automatically restart within minute. Wait for a few more minutes. Still in progress. Restarted pending. Wait. Restart completed. So yeah, it required 2 minutes. Do not close it because it is in progress, and within 2 minutes your virtual machine will restart. All done.
Yes, sir.
Back to the portal and let's talk about quick scan and full scan. You know very well about every Windows based operating system contain one dedicated feature. I'm talking about Defender. All the types of operating system, Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows Server, Windows, any kind of Windows based machine contain the features of or service of Windows Defender. And the work of Defender can help us to protect our machine, our operating system files from uh, the basic attacks, from the virus, from batch file, from like any kind of third party application attacking third party application. If you want to protect from any suspicious activity, you just need to quick scan and full scan. Both will help us to protect. Both will help us to protect our operating system that we are currently using on premises. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir. Sir, why remote lock and reset passcode both are gray out?
Because we need to activate the remote lock option from on premises. And we need
On-prem.
to, yeah, on premises, the machine that we enrolled, we need to activate the RDP. And also we need to set the password as a passcode, not in the format of like the normal ABC at the rate 123. You need to set the passcode,
For laptop login purpose, sir.
laptop login purposes.
Okay, sir.
All good about the points that are available on portal, means the options which are available that can help us to manage our basic activity. Next, in the properties, let's talk about the options which are available in the user's properties. Multiple options are available, like Intune. This is the type of Windows, and your device is unassigned, right? Because they're directly connected with which user? With the telnet user. And this is personal and corporate. Two options are available. If you want to manage your device under the corporate, but this is not applicable, again, this is not applicable for BBIP user. This is for the employees machine. So in case of employee, you always proceed with this option, right? You always make it corporate and acknowledge. But for BBIP user, you can proceed with the first one. Next, about device inventory. In the inventory, as per the name suggests, the meaning of inventory is related to the hardware of your machine or any kind of laptop that you are currently using. So these information basically available: battery, BIOS information, CPU, disk, our devices, encryption volume, any kind of volume that you encrypted, local type, about the memory information, and the like the system information and timing. All the information you can find from this particular option, right? So if I'm going to click on battery, unfortunately I'm using desktop, so that's why no data found. If I'm going to click on BIOS, so the BIOS is basically for base machine, not for the virtual machine. Let me check processor. Okay, the device is personal, so we are not able to get the access of any kind of information from this particular option, from inventory page. We need to configure the profile and then we'll get the access. But hardware information is available. If you click on the hardware, it will provide you the complete information related to your machine. This is the name of your computer, the PC name that we enrolled, and device ID, Intune device ID, Microsoft Intra ID, serial number, based on VMware. We can find the operating system type.
The Intune device ID and the Microsoft Intra device ID are same.
No. Both are different. This is the Microsoft Intra. Why it is showing device ID and Intra ID same? Because we are using VMware Workstation.
Okay.
If we
So you
use the
will
physical device, then it will be different.
okay.
This is the serial number, operating system, version of operating system, and your storage. Storage in the sense hard disk, the disk that connected with our virtual machine. Okay, so if I'm going to check the space, and the capacity of our storage is 59.88 GB. And if I'm going back to the Intune portal, same 60 gig space available. How much free space available? 29 point something. Okay, let me check. Yeah, 29.5 GB free hard disk space. Use this space 30.1. So it will give you the complete information. And this is your Ethernet MAC address. What is use of MAC address, guys, in the local machine?
Denotes the
Device
physical.
identification. Device identification.
Correct. It is applicable for the kind of DHCP reservation. You decided to fix the IP address to your computer, to your device, then the MAC address required for that purpose. Fine, please. The MAC address is 000C294340F2. 000C24329434F2. See, same. So once you enroll your device, Intune will collect the information about the MAC address as well. Not only the MAC address, you can also find the private IP address that you assigned. You will get the access of your on-premises private IP address, not public IP address. Private IP address and the MAC address of your computer. So most of the services are reflect to the portal using our Intune. Next, discoverable applications. So we haven't installed any application to this machine, so that's why we are not able to see it. Application configuration, no application available. Next, user experience. So under the user experience, multiple options are available. Startup performance, application reliability resources, but you need to implement all the services are not applicable for now, but whenever we apply the same permission and policies from the back end, we are able to get the status. So step by step, we are going to cover everything, but for now, I'm going back to the Windows because under the enrollment, we are able to find multiple options are available. Device platform restriction, device limit restriction, enrollment notification, right? Windows backup and restore. These options are available. Fine. Okay, so we
Sir,
are responsible. Yeah,
does it show the sign-in logs as well? Like when was the last time that device was signed in that particular properties?
the login details you're talking about with the client computer.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Right. So for this particular part, we need to set up the alert and monitoring system. Not it. Step by step, we are going to discuss because this is the basic page, and we'll
Mhm.
talk about in the monitoring page. We can collect the information about the logs. Actually, we need to involve the Azure AD. You can open Microsoft Intra Admin Center. And in this page, we just need to click sign in and it will give you the information. Telnet. We are using Telnet. So it will provide the complete information about your user. See, at what time we enroll our device, it will show us 6:43 succeeded. This is by public IP address. This is the location and single factor authentication. You want to collect more information, it will give you the complete details about your login activity. Fine. No conditional access applicable for this machine. So just collect the basic information. Point to point, we'll talk about like the real time kind of monitoring system. All done. Hello.
Mm. Yes, sir. But
So
we
can you
need
please
more
just
facts on this.
everyone please implement by self, right? Because we have a content, but you need to
Mm.
implement by self to like either clear your doubts and also it will help us to enhance the confidence. प्रैक्टिकल जितना करेंगे उतना ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस हमारा इंक्रीज होगा.
Right.
Can you please go through the all topics that we completed so far? Let me know if you have any question or doubt.
अभी आप MS 102 स्टार्ट करेंगे ना, एक्सचेंज अभी स्टार्ट
हाँ
करेंगे
हाँ,
ना?
10 मिनट में स्टार्ट करेंगे. यस.
Sir, I am using company laptop, sir. So I have enrolled using MDM discovery URL.
Uh-huh.
The time it's showing personal laptop, sir. So I can change manually to corporate. Is it okay, sir?
Yeah, fine, no problem. All good, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Go
Yes,
through
sir.
the recording. I'll upload the recording and check and let me know if you feel like if you have any question or doubt. Thank you so much, guys. We are going to connect next class next week.
Sir,
Discuss more
one
about it.
thing that can you upload that ISO image as well once you have a time?
I uploaded. I'm going to share.